Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to join a team in Gardenscape. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Gardenscape game. Then tap on the team icon. Then tap on the leaderboard option. Then tap on the search button. In the search bar, type in the team and perform a search. Select the team that you want to join. Now tap on the join button. To join the team, you need to complete level 36 and higher. And this is how you can join a team in Gardenscape. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.